Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in algebra, we have already completed arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. Those three videos are already done, right? If you have not seen them, you can go and watch them. Now we are starting with a fresh topic, that is sum of the series. This is a standalone topic and we will complete this topic in this video only, right? So basically there are three formulas you have to remember for the exam and that will be sufficient, right? So, what exactly is sum of the series? See, if you have seen arithmetic progression video, do you remember that we have calculated how to, we have found a formula that how to calculate the sum of first n natural numbers? And what did we see here? That we were able to find that sum of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. So, for those who have not seen this video, what are natural numbers or a series of natural numbers? Natural numbers is a series which starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So natural number series always starts from 1 and uh, every next number increases by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a series of natural numbers, right? Now, so if they ask you, if simply they ask you what is the sum of first three natural numbers, you can simply do 1 plus 2 plus 3. This will be 6, right? And they ask you what is the sum of first four natural numbers. Easy, you can do this like this, right? So now if they ask you what is the sum of first 100 natural numbers, are you going to do it like this, 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus continue plus till 100? Is this the right way to do it? It is very difficult, and if you don't know the formula, you will not be able to solve the question. If they ask you on the lines of this, that's give me the sum of first 200 natural numbers, right? So there is a formula for it, and the formula is, if they ask you what is the sum of first n natural numbers, the formula is n plus 1 by 2, and we have already done the proof of this in our arithmetic progression series video. That is the first video for the algebra. This is a formula, and there is a, as I've already told you, there is a previous year question on this, and we are going to solve this at the end of this video as well, right? First formula, very important. What is the sum of first n natural numbers? N plus 1 by 2, right? Now moving on. They are asking sum of square of first n natural number. First thing, what is the square of first n natural number? And 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, and so on, right? It is easy if they ask you what is the sum of square of first three natural number. You can find it from the series only. Very easy. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. But if they ask you what is the sum of first n squares of first 100 natural numbers, very difficult. So there is a formula for this as well. That is n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. A little long formula, but very important. You have to remember this for the exam, right? The first formula in the last slide was n plus 1 by 2. Here n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. So now to check this formula, suppose I do 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square only, right? First three natural number square. I will just put in the value of n as 3. So 3 plus 1, 2 into n means 6 plus 1 by 6. I hope this is clear. Now, if you calculate this, that is 3, 4, 7 by 6. So, if that is going to give you 14. And you can also check, that is 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 14. So, this is how you can use this formula to calculate the sum of square of first n natural numbers, right? Now, this is a question. Again, pause this video now. Try to do this. This will use the formula we have just learned and try to solve this. And if you're not able to, or anyways, you can come back and check the solution after this, right? Now they are asking you, what is the sum of this series? 21 square, 22 square, 23 square, up to 30 square. Now How can you calculate this? See, this is not the sum of first n natural numbers, so you cannot simply use that formula directly, right? So how will we do? Now if they are asking you to do this, what I'm going to do, I will calculate sum of first 30 natural numbers first. So first 30 natural numbers, will it look like this? 21 square, 22 square, 23 square plus 30 square. So will it look like this? I will calculate the sum of first 30 natural number square. After that, I will calculate sum of first 20 natural number square. 4 square up to plus 20 square, and this will be S2. I hope this is clear what we are trying to do. We have calculated two different sums, separate sums. In the first, we are calculating the sum of square of first 30 natural numbers, and in the second one, we are calculating the sum of square of first 20 natural numbers. If I just minus S1, S1 and S2, that will be, this will get cancel, 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 cancel. You will only be left with this part, which is our answer. So this will be S1 minus S2. I hope this is clear. Means to calculate only this much section, you need sum of first 30 terms, square of first 30 terms, sum of square of first 20 terms, and do the subtraction. Now, first 30 terms is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. S2 is equal to first 20 terms n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. And then you can do S1 minus S2 and you will get the final answer. I hope this is clear, right? So in the exam, if they ask you such a question where you cannot directly put the formula, you have to be very smart that how can we pick the specific part we are looking for, right? Moving on. Again, they are asking you 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube up to n cube. Means they are asking you what is the sum of cube of first n natural number. I hope till now it is clear what we are trying to do here. The formula for this is n square, n plus 1, what? N plus 1 whole square by 4. This is the formula, right? If you check it, this is just the square of what we have done in the first slide. There the formula was n plus 1 by 2. Here you can do just the square of everything and you will get this formula. This is a quick trick to remember this formula, right? To checking this, if I do 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, it will be 3 cube, means first 3 natural numbers. 3 plus 1, 4 square. No, this is square. 3 square, 4 square upon 4. So if you do the calculation, 9 into 4, that is 36, right? And now I will check. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, and you will get the answer as 36. So this is right. So this is another formula you have to know for the exam. I hope this is clear. 3 formulas and we are done. Theory part is done. We are going to see another question of it, right? Now, this is a question on it. They are asking you, what is 0.1 cube plus 0.22 cube plus so on plus 0.99 cube. What is the answer of this? Again, pause the video, try to solve this, and come back and see the final solution, right? Now coming back to the solution. We know the formula for 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, but we don't know the formula for 0.01 cube, right? What I'm going to do? Okay, coming to the solution. We know the formula for 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 9 cube, but we don't know the formula for 0.01, 0.11 cube, right? What we'll take 0.11 cube as common. So we will be left with 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 9 cube, right? Is it clear? So we are taking 0.11 cube outside the bracket and we'll be left with 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 9 cube. Now 0.11 cube, we know this is, do you know the formula for this? This is 9 square, 9 plus 1 whole square by 4. Is it not the formula? N square, n plus 1 whole square by 4. And this is our final answer what we are looking for. I hope this is clear. We have used the formula for a sum of cube of first and natural number. Right? Now, coming to the previous year question from this section. Very nice question and good application of a formula for sum of and sum of a series, right? And before that, I will do a quick recap of three formulas. First is sum of n, first n natural number is n plus 1 by 2. Sum of square of n natural numbers is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of cube of first n natural number is n square, n plus 1 whole square by 4. Right? Now, I hope this is clear. This is the three formulas you have to remember for the exam. Now, how we are going to use these formulas in this? Let's see. Now, the question says, one page is torn from a booklet whose page are number as in the usual manner, starting from the first page as 1. Now, the sum of the remaining pages is 195. The page which was torn from the book is which? Right? Now, the question says, read the first line. It's a normal book. How when you open a book, if you have a book nearby, you can check. The book looks like this is the first page, this is the second page of the book, this is the third page of the book, and so on, right? The first page has 1 written in the front and 2 in the back, right? On the second page, 3 is written here, 4 in the back, 5 is written here, 6 in the back, then 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Now, in this book, there are some number of pages, we don't know how many, but someone took one page out of it and two numbers are missing. Suppose, for the sake of the example, suppose someone takes 6 and 5 out of it, right? 6 and 5 out of it, then these numbers will be gone from the book, right? How? Suppose this is a 3-page book. 3-page book. So, if it is a 3-page book, we should be having 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, plus 5 plus 6. But because someone took one page, we are left with a 2-page book where we are only left with these numbers 3 plus 4. The last page was taken out of it. Now they are asking you which page was taken out of it, right? Now let's see. I will just remove the. I hope this is clear. Now since the question is clear, okay, let's see. Now the sum of the remaining pages, that page was already taken, and the sum of the remaining pages is 195, right? The sum of the remaining pages is 195. The torn page contain which of the number? Was it page number 5, 6 or 7, 8 or 9, 10 or 11, 12? Let's see. If you have understood the question, pause this video, try to do this, and for the hint, it is going to use the first formula we have learned just now, right? Now, coming to the solution, since we know that this is the formula for the sum of n natural numbers. Now, this book contains some pages, and so if it is a normal book, this is how the sum of the all the pages looks like, right? Now, if it is a normal book, if it has been a normal book with that page intact, that page was not taken out of it, then sum of all the pages would be using this formula, right? Now, it is given that now after that one page was taken out of it, the remaining sum is 195. So, for the sake of it, I will try to get the sum of all the numbers somewhere close to 195. Okay, how will I do it? I will check what is the sum of 10. 10 plus 1 by 2. So, if you calculate this is going to give you 55, right? 55. If suppose the original book has 55 pages and some pages are taken out of it and you are left with 195, not possible. So, sum of 10, so that book must be having more than 10 pages. I hope this is clear. Now, by hit and trial, I will go to, let's say book has 15 pages. So, 15 plus 1, 16 by 2. So, 8 This is 120, right? I hope this is clear. So 120 is the pages. The original book has 120 pages, but someone takes some pages out of it, we are left with 195. Again, not possible. So a book should be having more than 15 pages. Let's see. For I say 20 pages. 20, 21 by 2. So you do the calculation and you are say that is coming out to be 210. So we are close. Means a book could be having 20 pages, but someone takes one page out of it and you are left with 195 pages. So the original book has 210 pages. Someone took some one page out of it. Matlab, two numbers are gone and you are left with 195. Very much possible. Means that pages that was taken out of it should be having a sum of 15. Right? The pages that were taken out of it should be having a sum of 15. And now see the options. 6 plus 5 is 11. Not our answer. 9 plus 10 is 19. Not our answer. 11 plus 12 is 23. Again, not our answer. 8 plus 7 is 15. And the answer. So, if it has then been original book with all the pages, the sum is 20, 210. Means two numbers are gone. 7 and 8 means 15 is gone out of the total sum. You are left with only 195. Right? I hope this question is clear. That how we have used the formula for sum of n natural numbers to calculate this. See, again, you have to be, so in such a question, if they ask you, if similar question comes in the exam, to you try to find a number n and try to be as close as possible to 195. If I was not able to find it at 20, I would have put in 25. I would have put in 30 and so on. Till I am able to find such a number where I am as close as possible to 195. I hope this is clear. And that completes our sum of series. In the next part, we are going to start with the linear equation. That's all for this video. Try to solve these questions on your own first. That is my advice. And whichever four questions you are finding it a little difficult or on the difficult side, keep a note of them and also maintain a formula sheet which is going to be very helpful for you few days before the exam, right? And this specifically this video had majorly three formulas for you to note down in your formula sheet, right? Okay, that's all. Thank you and best of luck.